I have the perfect bag to share with you for those upcoming week-long summer trips. And the best part is, you can save a ton of money on checking bags, because this one will work as a carry-on or personal item and still fit everything you need. This is the Daily Plus backpack from Able Carry. This bag's going to hold up to 21 liters, and it's made with an X-Pack fabric, which means it's waterproof, dirt-proof, and just in general stays really, really nice. This comes in 4 different colors, and it has a lifetime guarantee. And the first thing we're going to look at with this bag is the back of it, because it's really, really comfortable to carry. There's this magnetic clip right here, and that's going to be really nice so you can strap that across your chest. As you can see, the back here, the padding is really robust. And you're going to see that same dense amount of padding on the shoulder straps as well. The bag is also made in an A-shape frame. And what this does is it distributes the weight really well and makes it a really enjoyable carry. And actually, when I turn this bag around, you can see a little moisture there on the front. You can see how waterproof it really is. And then we're going to check out this large front pocket. And it's really easy to access, as you can see right here. You just kind of flip it down to the front, and then you can get whatever you need in that front pocket. And this is going to have 2 areas where you can store things. One's going to have a zipper, and then the other one's just kind of an open pocket. And then you're also going to have a little lanyard for your keys as well. And then underneath that zipper, you're going to find another zipper, and that's going to be for a water bottle pocket. And this comes in handy if you do want to carry a water bottle with you. For what I'm doing today, I'm going to be using this pocket for a bathing suit. But this is also a perfect place to put an umbrella as well. And then now we're going to take a look at the main compartment. And inside here, you're going to see a couple pockets. Right up top, there's a quick access pocket. You can put things like chargers, headphones, anything in here in that main spot. And then on the other side, you're going to find a nice padded pocket for a laptop, and that's going to hold up to a 16-inch laptop. As you can see, it's pretty structured there. And then next, you'll find a pocket for a tablet, and that holds up to an 11-inch tablet there. And then there's going to be one more additional pocket here as well. You can put things like books in there, any kind of accessories. And as you can see, there's a ton of depth to this bag, a lot of space. It's going to have that really nice material on the inside, as you can see in this close-up, as well as those really cool, subtle Able Carry details. They do a really good job with their branding, as you can see. Very, very subtle branding, but I really like that with the backpack. You can see the same thing on the outside as well. And it's got those really nice YKK zippers. And then lastly, you'll find a hidden back pocket at the top of the bag. And that's going to be where you put like your phone or your wallet, things that you can put easily in the bag while you're traveling. And then as you can see on the front, again, I love this aspect of Able Carry. They have the most minimalist branding here, as you can see. And I just really like what they do. But as you can tell, this bag is extremely well made and totally worth the $209 that it retails for. I can't suggest this enough, and this is definitely going to be my summer backpack when I'm traveling. And just to be completely transparent, this is not a sponsored video, but I do want to thank Able Carry for sending me this bag to try out. And if you want to try it out, be sure to click the link in the description, and you can get 10% off over at Able Carry. So I'm going to show you what I would typically pack in this bag for a week-long trip. And before that, I want to take a look at my travel fit. So I like to wear a long sleeve t-shirt that's really comfortable. A pair of nice jeans is also really comfortable to travel in. I love these Reebok sneakers because when I get there, I can wear these throughout the day and they're really nice on the feet. Also, I have this Nike hat, and this is, really goes with all of my clothes, as well as this watch from Veyer, which they recently sent me. And I gotta say, I'm starting to become a watch guy. So before we start packing, I always like to begin by organizing. So I'm going to take out all of my shirts, I'm going to roll these up, and then I'm going to put these into some packing cubes and get everything together. And we're going to start off with this button-up from Ralph Lauren. Next, I have this oversized t-shirt from Uniqlo. I really like this. I have this in a couple colors. The sleeves are really long, but what I like to do is I like to roll them up a couple times, and I feel like it fits really nicely. Next, we have a t-shirt from Minko & Minko, which is a pizza place at the Jersey Shore. You may know them if you've ever been to Ocean City, New Jersey before. They used to be called Mac and Manco's back when I was a kid. But, the pizza's still just as good, even though they changed the name to Minko & Minko. Next is just a simple white tee, and this is going to be from the Goodfellow & Co. brand, which is a Target brand. But this fits really, really nicely, and always a good call to wear just a white tee. Next, we have a couple of black t-shirts, and also really like these plain black t-shirts. These ones are from Hanes, very, very comfortable. Also really versatile. They look great with anything. And then lastly, since we're going on a summer trip, there will be swimming involved, so I'm going to bring along a bathing suit. And I really like using these lined running shorts from All in Motion, which is another Target brand. But these are great. They have this lining on the inside and work perfectly as a bathing suit. Now that we have everything rolled up, we're going to take our large packing cube from the Container Store, and we're going to fill it up. And as you can see, sometimes with these compression cubes, it does take a little bit of energy to really zip these up and get these to compress. So now that we have the large cube all packed up, we're going to get together our socks and underwear for the smaller cube, and we're going to start with 4 pairs of Bombas socks. I still love these. They are holding up so well. And then we're going to have a couple pairs of Hanes as well. And then also my go-to Gap boxer briefs. Still wearing these, still loving these, and we'll bring along 6 pairs of these as well for the trip. And it's going to be the same thing with this compression cube. To really get everything compressed, it is going to take a little bit to zip all of this up, so it does take some time, but totally worth it to be able to save that space when you're packing. Now we'll look at everything else that I'll be bringing along, and that will be starting with my Kavu Dop kit. This is such a great Dop kit because it is so small, yet it actually does fit everything you need for a trip. Next, I'll be bringing along my Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses. These are my go-tos. They have been for years. They hold up so well. I've had the same pair for 5 years now, and they're just really, really well-made glasses. I'll be bringing another hat as well, and this one is from the record label Light in the Attic, and on it says, "Listen to Nancy Sinatra." And it's as simple as that. You should listen to Nancy Sinatra. She's fantastic. Next is going to be my TVS camera from Contax, and this is my favorite point and shoot at the moment. I love using this. It's such a well-made point and shoot camera. And then we're going to have the Taito Super Pocket from Evercade, and I recently showed this off in an EDC video, but this thing is awesome. It has like 18 games on it, and I am still obsessed with Bubble Puzzle at the moment. Also, bring along the Passport. And of course, my Apple wired headphones. I can use these with my phone if I want to listen to music. I can also plug these right into that Taito Evercade Pocket if I want to listen to the music while playing games. And then lastly, I'll bring my chargers. Just want to make sure that I have a charger for my phone as well as for that video game system. And now that we're done laying everything out, it's time to pack. So I'm going to bring out the Able Daily Plus, and we're going to start with the large pocket back here. So I'm not bringing a computer for this trip, But honestly, even with all of this stuff, a computer and a tablet will still fit in the back if I wanted to. But I'm going to try and enjoy myself on this trip and not think about work as much. So once I get most of my clothes and toiletries in that main pocket, we're then going to focus on the front pocket. So in this pocket, we're going to put everything from my chargers and my video game, my camera, and my glasses. And then that pocket underneath where the water bottle will go, there's nothing in it right now. But after I do go swimming on the trip, this is where I'm going to put my swimsuit, which might be a little wet, so it can have its own separate pocket away from all of my dry clothes. And then lastly, we're going to use that back hidden pocket, and that's where we're going to put some quick access things. That's where I'm going to put my passport and my headphones. And then also while I'm going through security, this is where I'm going to put my wallet and my phone. I'll take those out of my pocket and just going to put that right in that pocket there because it does have enough space for all of that. And then that's going to be it. We're all set for a week-long trip with just a small 21-liter carry-on or personal item bag.